In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show how to fix lag in Adobe Premiere Pro. If I play this video, then we can see this video is lagging. Now I will show two ways to fix this lag. First, select the video clip and go to Edit, Preference, Memory. You may have another value here, but you will make it 3 GB. After finishing this, if we still facing lagging, then mark the lagging area just the way I'm doing. Then go to Sequence, then click Render into Out. How long it takes depends on the length of your footage. When finished, then we will see lag has been fixed. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.